And what I promised myself as a little boy, I said I can never leave the gym knowing I have 5% left. And 5% is magic. That's the magic place where very few people go. You can go there. I'm giving you permission to go there. If you fall down, drop the weight on the floor, who cares? Who cares? But if you make it, I care. Do not fail. Do not fail. You cannot be a loser. Lose is nothing. You must not lose. You cannot leave the gym a loser. You might rather die than lose. Come on. I would rather die than be that loser guy. Divorces, I went through all that stuff, okay? Those are the years I did best. In 81, my fiance got together with I didn't ever tell anybody this before either, but she got together with my training partner. And I came home from the 80 Olympia and they're together. I'm like, oh my God. I was so hurt and so baffled that this girl could do this to me. I decided to take all that energy and put it into the gym. Nobody wants to go that far. It's too scary. But you know something? I got news for you. That's where winning is. Now, the only place to go from failure is to win.